Signposting language. How we can use language signals to help listeners keep up. Clearly, signpost what you're saying to help listeners. And there's quite a few examples of this. Organisation. This presentation has 3 clear sections. 1. Transition. Moving to the next part. Example giving. A great example of this is repeating. Let me say that again, as it's important. Interpreting. Now, this is important because those signals work together to really signpost what you're saying, convey message, and help the listeners keep up with you. Functional, content language joined together for powerful messaging. So, we have signposting of our functional language with our content language, our voice, which is tone, pace, pauses, word stress, working with our body language, gestures, expression, and movement for powerful messaging.